Today guys, in this video review we consider Reflection project, Notice Proposed Indignity. This video will be in English format, so guys, especially for you, we'll add Russian subtitles for convenience, please and you win. In fact, even though cryptocurrency is still an unstable asset, it is able to solve huge problems that concern the whole world. For example, for e-commerce, use of cryptocurrency and blockchain makes transactions much faster and cheaper. Blockchain protects all streaming data by encryption information, but in turn it provides complete transparency of all actions, so it can be used even by states. In addition, there are several more industries in which blockchain will be able to present new ways of development. For example, take global catering business. According to statistics, catering is for leading consumer market, and with every year demand for industry is only growing. Market is valued at more than $3 trillion and growth is 7% annually. And you know, Sphere could develop even faster if it were not surrounded by some barriers. For example, when a person go to another country, he must immediately remember fact that he will certainly use intermediary services several times to convert currency, giving an additional commission. In fact, one can argue endlessly on such aspects. However, in order to solve all these problems, it is not necessary to run too far. Blockchain has already been invented and technology needs to be developed as it will shift world rules to a more modern level. Therefore, an experienced development team volunteered to solve all these problems by creating its own decentralized franchise network, which will be loyal to its consumer. Reflection Franchise Network. This is a global franchise network for creation and unified network of public institutions around the world. In simple words, project intends to create a virtual community of shared values, providing its participants with the best benefits. Reflection implements in its ecosystem only best solutions that will ensure low commission costs for operations, help overcome barriers with currencies, provide a loyal system, and create a healthy system that is not subject to cryptocurrency volatility. As one of product, Reflection intends to release its own mobile application, without which consumer will be able to conduct operations. All that is needed for this is to launch a mobile application, scan QR code of necessary product, and confirm its payment. In future, project will introduce its own payment card system, without which people will be able to purchase e-commerce products, book permits, pay for services, and expand their own franchise. To solve problems with franchising tokenization, Reflection team created its own internal token, which will not only provide access to all Reflection launch services, but also receive monthly cryptocurrency fees for investors supporting project from very beginning of development. Reflection Launch currently serves over 15 nationalities and has a wide client base. Company already has a productive business from a network of restaurants, and now it's comprehending world of blockchain to further scale and create a new global brand. So if you have any question about the project, ask them in the comments under the video, or you can ask a question in the official Reflection group in Telegram, where they will tell you more about the project. They will not leave you without attention. All links in the description under the video, and I say goodbye to you. Thank you for attention. See you next time.